This one was published by Paloma Press recently. It's called Storm Cloud Passing. At once treacherous, foreboding act of nature once neutralized my soul, sobering daydreams, haunted skeletons in closet, coax and cajole. I'd like to be a better man. Someone of the world with an expanded worldview, a traveler who doesn't toggle in between mixed emotional states, but finds refuge in relaxed recreation and deeper contemplation, and a fixed mind afforded opportunities of oceanic osmosis. I want to cry again, weep into wakeful wistfulness, weaving a tapestry of true thoughtfulness as I greet new days instead of bemoaning another rude, sleepless awakening, not submerging into the pits of debauchery, debunking, cloying, negligent naysayers. Notebook in hand, I witness shorelines land as my powers ignite to my fullest command and demand that I make something of my time on planet Earth. Each bite of the nectar is sweet. Each morsel and crumb of sweet skin soaks my chin, gift of Mother Earth, a divine goddess, as I pray for the misbegotten souls who've long disappeared into the dusty ether, occupying unseen planes of existence.